Hi, welcome to another lesson in our Markdown series. In this lesson, we are looking at checkboxes. Checkboxes allows us to add some form of interactivity to our Markdown code, but unfortunately, not every Markdown text editor supports it. So if you are doing it and the text editor you are using doesn't support it, then you will not be able to see the interactions. But I'm going to illustrate it here because this text editor we are currently using supports it. And essentially, when we say checkboxes, like when you create your to-do list and you're able to check off that, oh, I've done this, this is yet to be done, that kind of thing. So how do we create checkboxes in Markdown? In Markdown, you need to just use the hyphen space. Remember, hyphen space. Then square bracket, open and close a square bracket, but then there should be a space in between them. So the space means that this is an empty one. That is, you have not done this task. So space, the name of the task, maybe I'm supposed to record next video, and I'm yet to do it. So that is what is going to happen. I mean, I leave it as empty. If it is something I have done already, say I have recorded a previous video, then instead of space between the square brackets, you put an X in it. So an X in there shows that you have already done this. So if I go ahead and say record previous video, which I've already done, you see that right here, this has been checked. And now we can have a list of them. So anytime you want to create an unchecked something, unchecked task, then you use the empty space. If you say task 3, then the next one say tax 4, so that is also empty, tax 4. And now when you are done, you have that sort of interactivity here because this text editor supports it. I can click and choose the ones that I'm done. So you can use this for your to-do list and use markup to write your to-do list. When you are done, you check it off that, oh yeah, this is done, this is not done, and the like. So just to recap, we use the hyphen space, then we have the square bracket, opening and closing square brackets. But if it is not done yet, you have to use a space between them. If it is done, then you use the X between the square brackets, and that will indicate that this has to be checked. And then if your text editor that you're using supports this Markdown extension, then you're going to be able to click and uncheck anything or check the unchecked ones. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.